We are on the main window of the FxPro broker. Let's scroll down. Since I already have 2 accounts open by default, when you complete registration, you will have 1 basic trading account opened. And to open an additional trading account, you need to select this plus sign at the bottom, Open Account. If you are a beginner and want to try with the minimum amount, you need to open an FxPro standard account. This is the simplest trading account. If you have at least $50, you can open an FxPro Raw Plus account. And accordingly, if your minimum deposit is $10,000, you can open a more advantageous trading account for VIP traders, FxPro Elite. I will show you how to open the very first standard account. Select Continue. At the top left, you can choose any currency. I will leave it as USD. Next, on the right, we have leverage. Choose the leverage that suits you best. I usually trade with 1 to 2000 or 1 to 1000 leverage. I will choose 1 to 2000. Next, scroll down. There is an execution method, netting or hedging. I choose hedging. Here you can find a description of what this means. I check the box here, come up with a password for the trading account and click Open Account. And now, to start trading on this trading account, we need to transfer money from our wallet with the broker to any of our trading accounts. Let me show you how to do this. Here, select Transfer. Next, scroll down the page a bit further. You will see a section that clearly shows where we want to transfer the funds. Go ahead and select any of your available trading accounts from the list. Here, simply enter the specific amount you wish to move and then click the Transfer button.